So in this tutorial, we learn how to download and install Apache Maven. Apache Maven is a project and build management tool primarily used for Java-based projects. But before installing Apache Maven, make sure that you have downloaded and installed Java. Note so you can follow the link in the description below and learn how to download and install Java. So first, open your default browser and search Apache Maven. Press enter. Click the official link maven.apache.org, and on the left side of your screen, click downloads. Scroll down and click the binary zip archive. Click the file and wait for your file to get downloaded. So our download is complete. You can right click and click show in folder. So first we need to unzip our file. Right click and click extract all and click extract. So here is our unzipped folder. So then next thing we need to do is copy the file to our program files. So copy the file, open your C drive, open the program files and paste your unzipped folder. Click continue. So here is our folder. Open it. Open bin. Click after the bin and copy the path. Minimize. Come to the search bar and type environment. So edit the system environment variables. Click open. Under the advanced option, click environment variables. Under the system variables, double click path. Click new and paste your path. Click OK, OK, and the last OK. So we can verify the installation. Come back to the search bar and type cmd and press enter. So here type mvn space -- version and press enter. You can see that you have downloaded and installed the latest version, Apache Maven 3.9.9. So that's how to download and install Apache Maven in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. I'm Edwin from Pro Education.